Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will delve into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on the 9th of May, 2025, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has categorized NIO as a hold accumulate, resulting in a score of -0.49. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has exhibited natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 0.25%. This results in an average return of 0.13% per day since it was classified as hold accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decline within this trend. The existing 3-month trend forecasts a possible decrease of approximately 15.93% over the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging from a decline of 40.09% to a minor decrease of 2.02%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects an approximate decline of 11.43%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between a decrease of 31.65% and an increase of 49.26% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range between $2.71 and $5.93. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, "Evaluation of NIO stock downgraded after the last trading session." The NIO stock price gained approximately 1/4% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 9th of May, 2025, rising from $3.96 to $3.97. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.5%, with a low of $3.96 and a high of $4.10. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 1.5% over this period. The trading volume fell on the last day by 4 million shares, with a total of 23 million shares being bought and sold for around $89,430,000. It is important to consider that a decrease in volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $7.71, while the lowest was $3.02. Currently, the price is approximately 48.5% or $3.74 below the 52-week high, and 94.07% or $63.02 below the all-time high reached on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price hit $66.99. NIO, the prominent Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer, is witnessing significant market activity, as it currently trades below its initial public offering price of $6.26, which may attract investor interest looking for value in the electric vehicle sector. The stock closed recently at $3.98, reflecting a decline of 1.24% in a volatile market affected by tariff issues. On a more positive note, NIO is gearing up for the launch of its new Firefly model in Europe, aiming to push its stock price towards the $5 mark. This development could boost investor confidence and provide a short-term catalyst for price recovery. Furthermore, recent delivery results indicate a 53% year-over-year increase in deliveries for NIO, aligning it favorably against competitors like XPeng and Li Auto, whose deliveries have also surged. As retail investors often gravitate towards lower-priced stocks for their potential upside, NIO's current valuation could represent an opportunity for the more risk-tolerant buyers. In the long term, successful product launches and improving delivery numbers could enhance NIO's market position, driving the stock upward. However, ongoing market volatility due to external factors remains a variable that could suppress short-term price movements. Investors should weigh these dynamics carefully when considering NIO stock for their portfolios. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade along with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities rated NIO as neutral with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight rating with an upgrade recommendation. On the same day, Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Macquarie rated NIO as outperform with an upgrade recommendation. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup again assigned NIO a buy rating along with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. The NIO stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is an overall buy signal as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support levels are expected at $3.95 and $3.84. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It is worth noting that trading volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been noted, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, April 28, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 7.89%. Additional declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is identified. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 10 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal 43 days ago. The short-term moving average presented a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also provided a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.93. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. In the last day, the stock fluctuated by 140 cents between its highest and lowest points, which represents a change of 3.54%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.70%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. Nonetheless, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 22 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.98. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $3.93. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is more than 3 months old. The latest transaction occurred on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.77, reflecting a decrease of 5.04%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which indicates a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 9 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO exhibits several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At this juncture, it is better viewed as a hold candidate, meaning you may choose to hold or accumulate while awaiting further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical landscape, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy rating to a hold or accumulate rating since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 12th of May, we anticipate NIO will open higher by 4 cents and begin trading at $4.01. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.